Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove and install the operational amplifier module on the hashboard. Let's take this Antminer S19XP hashboard as an example. First, set the temperature of the heating station to about 350 degrees Celsius. Then, apply flux to the module that needs to be removed, and take it off. Okay, we've successfully removed the module. Now, wait for the hashboard to cool down, and clean it with lead-free circuit board cleaner. Next, let's start the installation. Apply flux to the pins. Notice, there is a small circle at this position. Place it as I'm showing, following this orientation. Good, the installation is complete. Similarly, wait for the hashboard to cool down, and clean it again. Finally, set the multimeter to the diode mode, and check the ground value to make sure the soldering is good. Connect the red probe to the negative terminal of the corresponding domain, and the black probe for measurement. Normally, the ground value should be around 300. Of course, we can also refer to the ground value of another working operational amplifier module. If the value we measure is higher or lower than the normal module, it means the soldering is faulty, and we'll need to resolder it. Great! The ground value of this module has no problem, indicating that the soldering is successful. Well, the above is the removal and installation method of the operational amplifier module. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a message in the comment area. Thanks for watching.